Hello everyone, my name is Jainab Aslan. I'm from the Accounting Department of Nusa Putra University with student identification number 20230070159. On this occasion, I will present the result of my scientific work entitled The Role of Tax Knowledge on Taxpayer Compliance. And this is an overview of the part we will discussing. We will discuss starting from the abstract. The study analyzed the effect of tax knowledge on tax compliance. This study used secondary data from the Directorate General of Tax. The data includes tax knowledge data and tax compliance data. The results show that tax knowledge has a positive and significant effect on tax compliance. This means that the higher the taxpayer tax knowledge, the higher the level of compliance. Next is introduction. Tax is a contribution from the people to the state treasury based on the law without any reciprocal service or counter performance, which can be directly demonstrated and used to pay state expense. Tax are defined as levies imposed by a state on behalf of its citizens based on law that are not imposed directly by the state on its citizens. Tax knowledge is one of the factors that influence taxpayers' complaints. High tax knowledge will make taxpayers better understand their rights and obligations as taxpayers. This will encourage taxpayers to fulfill its tax obligation correctly and on time. Next is theoretical framework. Law number 16 of 2009 concerning general provisions and tax procedure has three systems tax collection, namely 1. Self-assessment system. The self-assessment system is a tax collection system which determines the amount of tax payable in accordance with the provision of tax law and regulation. Number 2 is official rating system. The official rating system is a tax collection system in which the tax authority itself determines, or not including the taxpayer, the amount of tax owed. 3 is cutting system. System withholding is a tax collection system where the calculation is carried out by the taxpayer by a third party. Tax knowledge is a tax information that can be used by taxpayer as a basis for taking action decisions and directing certain direction or strategies implementing their rights and obligations. In the field of taxation, the concept of knowledge or understanding of taxation is first, knowledge of general provision and procedures taxation. Second, knowledge of the Indonesian taxation system. Third, knowledge of tax functions. Next is research methodology, which here I will explain about the object in this research are taxpayer knowledge, taxpayer moral, tax sanctions, and compliance taxpayer. This research was conducted at KPP Pratama Bandung. Refers to the objectives of the research carried out is to determine the influence of taxpayer knowledge, taxpayer morals, and tax sanctions on taxpayer compliance. The population in this study is all registered individual taxpayers must report the annual SPT to KPP Tegalega Bandung. However, this number does not represent the whole number taxpayer who actively pay tax. Many taxpayers registered by the Tegalega KPP have NPWP but does not actively pay tax. Therefore, the author used population data from taxpayers actively reporting tax, although maybe not every year. The sampling technique used in this research is non-probability sampling. Sampling was carried out by distributing questions to taxpayers who are paying annual SPT. The sample in this study was taken from the mandatory population individual tax at the Pratama Tegalega Tax Service Office Bandung, which reported as many SPT S35704 people end of 2016. The sample criteria in this research are 1. Individuals who run a business or freelance work. 2. Married women who are taxed separately because they live separately based on a just decision or required in writing based on their income and asset separation agreement. 3 is individual taxpayer from certain entrepreneurs who have business premise other than premises. 4. Individuals who do not carry out business or independent work earn income above the taxable amount. Next is results and discussions. Analysis of the influence of taxpayer knowledge, taxpayer morals, and tax sanctions of mandatory compliance tax in case study at KPP Pratama Bandung Tegalega. Analyzing the influence of taxpayer knowledge, taxpayer moral, and tax sanctions on taxpayer compliance will be analyzed using regressions multiple linear. The condition in regression analysis for the independent variable and dependent variable are that they must have use is assumed to be ordinal. Data transformation is necessary converted into intervals using the SPSS 224.0 program. The influence of taxpayer knowledge on taxpayer personal compliance, impact of taxpayer morals on individual taxpayer compliance. Next is conclusion. Based on the result of research regarding the influence of taxpayer knowledge, taxpayer morals, and sanctions, taxation of taxpayer compliance, the following conclusion can be drawn. Based on the result of research in the field and based on processing result, it can be partially known taxpayer knowledge has a positive effect on individual taxpayer compliance at KPP Pratama Bandung Tegalega, meaning that if taxpayer knowledge increases, taxpayer compliance will increase. Based on the result of research in the field and based on the result of processing, partial morals can be identified. Taxpayers have a positive effect on individual taxpayer compliance at KPP Pratama Bandung Tegalega. This means that if taxpayer morally comply with existing tax regulations, it increases, then taxpayer compliance will increase. Next, based on the result of research in the field and based on the processing result, it can be known obedience. Partially, taxation have a positive effect on the individual taxpayer compliance at KPP Pratama Bandung Tegalega, meaning that if tax sanctions are implemented, then taxpayer compliance will increase. Next is based on the result of research in the field and based on the processing result, mandatory knowledge can be identified. Taxpayer moral, and tax sanctions simultaneously have a positive effect on taxpayer compliance individual at KPP Pratama Tegalega Bandung, mean taxpayer with knowledge and tax sanctions can significantly affect taxpayers' personal compliance. Next is suggestion. Based on the research result, the author puts forward suggestions, which are expected to be useful input for related parties as follows. Tax Service Office. In completing KPP administration, it is best to increase the number of counters for makes the tax payment process easier. Apart from that, employees must also be provided with quality job training, provide better service to taxpayers. Future research. The research conduction by the author is only limited to taxpayer knowledge, taxpayer moral, and tax sanction. researchers have not studied further regarding other factors that can increase compliance taxpayer. Therefore, it is hoped that further research can further examine other factors that can increase taxpayer compliance. And the last one is the reference I use. So many presentations that I can convey. Please apologize if there are many mistakes. Hopefully it can be useful. Thank you. Bye bye.